All right, it's that time of year. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and as always, oh wait, I gotta actually do a video. So, welcome to the time of year where nobody plans and everybody expects you to drop everything to get their car back to them because they're going out of town. Yeah, it's that time of year. I looked at tomorrow's appointments and it's like oil change, oil change, oil change, oil change. Ah, yay. So it'll be fun tomorrow because oil changes. But we all know this time of year is either people broke down or need to go out of town. That's what we get. It either comes in on a tow truck or it comes in at 7 a.m. wanting to wait. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Grinch. No, I'm the Flatratemaster. Thanks for watching.